Hi, welcome back to the channel. We have this question on change of subject of formula. I'll try my best to explain this as this is one of those concepts some students struggle with. Let's get into class. Now, our question says A plus BC over WD plus F is equals to G. Now, before I continue, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do hit the subscribe button so that you can get notified when we create our next content. So that A now plus BC over WD plus F is the same thing as G over 1. G over 1 is the same thing as G. Next, we can easily cross multiply. On cross multiplying, I should have A plus BC to be equals to G into WD plus F. So that A plus BC will open this bracket, will be the same thing as G, WD plus GF. This is the first point you see students make mistakes. A student will expand this. Instead of multiplying all through, they'll multiply G with just WD and forget to multiply by F. Don't make such mistakes. Next is, since I'm making W the subject of the formula, I have to subtract GF from both sides of the equation. So I have A plus BC minus GF equals GWD plus GF minus GF. So I'll be having A plus BC minus GF equals GWD. What I've simply done, I've treated the opposite of addition, which is what? Subtraction. Here again, I have GD multiplying W. The opposite of multiplication is division. I'll divide both sides by GD. So I'll divide this side too by GD. So G cancels G and D cancels D. Another mistake students make is instead of dividing by GD, they'll pick one of G and D and divide both sides. That way you get it wrong. So that W finally is equals to A plus BC minus GF all over GD. With this, I hope you understand how to treat simple change of subject formula. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.